Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is the birth of Isaac. So, God keeps His promise. So, Isaac was the son of God, promised to Abraham and Sarah. For many years, they waited and waited. They were already very old, and having a baby seemed impossible. But God did not exactly what He said He would do at the right time. Isaac was born. His birth shows us that God always keeps His covenant promises. God is never late, never confused, and never forgetful. What He promises, He surely fulfills. Isaac's birth also points us forward to Jesus, that promised son who would one day bring salvation to the world. Ngayon po sa Genesis chapter 21 verse 1 to 7. Now the Lord was gracious to Sarah as He had said, and the Lord did for Sarah was what He had promised. Sarah became pregnant and bore a son to Abraham in his old age. At the very time God had promised him, Abraham gave the name Isaac to the son Sarah bore him. When his son Isaac was 8 days old, Abraham circumcised him as God commanded him. Abraham was 100 years old when his son Isaac was born to him. Sarah said, God has brought me laughter, and everyone who hears about this will laugh with me. And she added, who would have said to Abraham that Sarah would nurse children, yet I have borne him a son in his old age. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, God has His own plan. So, may sariling plano ang Diyos para sa buhay natin. And kahit minsan hindi natin maintindihan ang nangyayari, God already knows what is best for us, and God has His own way. So, hindi palaging tugma ang paraan ng Diyos sa paraan natin. And God has His own timing. So, ang Diyos hindi late at hindi rin early. He is always on time. And sa applications naman po, how trust God's purpose. So, magtiwala na may dahilan ang lahat. And trust God's wisdom. So, hindi natin alam lahat, pero si Lord alam niya ang buong picture. And trust God's timings. And dahil lang po, maraming salamat.